All right, I got my hands on Opus 4.5, Opus 4.5 here, and they say it's the sickest. So let's see if it actually is the sickest. I'm an algorithmic trader, so I'm going to show you how to use it for trading bots here. Let's go ahead and get onto our AI agents GitHub here, because if we get onto our AI agents one, then we can go ahead and test this. And what is this? Well, okay, let me show you what I'm going to test it with first. I'm going to go to agents. And by the way, all of this code is on GitHub. You can go to agents here, and then I'm going to go to RBI agent PP multi. Okay, so you can see here if I run this, what this is going to do is it's going to come up with, it's going to back test for me. So you can see it's initializing all the different models here. Okay, so it's waiting in a queue. So it's going to back test any ideas that I have, but there's no ideas in there, dude. So let's go ahead and put a couple ideas in there, and then she can go ahead and start back testing. And then we're going to update it in order to have Claude Opus 4.5. So you can see here, if I just update these a little bit. Okay, so you can see the threads are starting. It's using Grok for fast reasoning. Essentially, it's back testing. It's coding a back test for me. So it's coming up with the idea based off my ideas and then coding a back test for me. So it's fire, fire, fire. But I think this is the ultimate test for Opus 4.5 because it's stable, right? I'm always using this, and I'm always making it better and better. Let me go find that AI agents here. You can see here AI agents. Okay, let's use Opus here. I got to restart this and hit C because we do Claude dangerous mode. Now I've got Opus 4.5 here, and what I'm going to say is RBI agent multi PP. Okay, so you can see this is dependent on the model factory and some other things. Essentially, there's a new Claude model, and I want you to go ahead and update this RBI agent PP multi to use this new Claude model. I'll post it below. But before you are able to use the Claude model, you'll have to update it in the model factory and probably the Claude specific file as well. Because if you look at the model factory.py, you can see it connects to all of these different models here. So yeah, essentially go ahead and update the Claude portion of the model factory in order to put in this exact model below. Don't change any of the old models. Go ahead and just get it working. So then I can run the RBI agent PP multi with Claude Opus 4.5. Okay, so let's give her the official name here. So let's go over here to Anthropic models. Model overview here. Okay, so we got Sonet 4.5 and we got Opus 4.5. Here you go. All right, so this is my first spin with Claude Opus 4.5. You can see we have Grok in the background now. It's backtesting different ideas for us and putting the backtest in here. Backtest final, backtest optimized, backtest package, backtest regular. So it hasn't got to the final yet, but you'll be able to see the difference now between Grok and then her. Let's see how they do. You can see it's taking a little bit of time here. You can see she's adding Claude Opus 4.5 here. Okay, so you can see we also have, we're flipping out right here from Grok to Claude. Okay. Also, make sure that those Groks are still ready to run. If we want to switch back, we can just unmark them. You know what I'm talking about? So for now, we'll use the new Opus 4.5, but we may not stick with it forever. I don't know. We'll see if it's far. Okay, let's go ahead and run this back now with Claude Opus 4.5 instead. You saw how long it was taking to get to the final back test. You can see it didn't actually backtest any of the finals. It didn't get there. So what was that? 4.5 minutes of looping through with Grok. Okay, let's delete this entire file now or a folder. And then when I start this back up, it's going to go ahead and do the same two tests here, but with Claude Opus 4.5, so we can see if it's better. So remember, that took about 4 minutes and it didn't get to the final backtest. You can see new idea queued using Claude Opus 4.5. Okay, let's get it. 2 active threads. So This is a back tester. Essentially, it codes back tests for me because the process I follow